Info Systems. In this video I am going to show you a new feature of Odoo 19 POS. So first of all I will show you a default flow of ordering any product from the POS. For example, I have a restaurant. So we know the default flow. We will click on any table, we will order our food, and we will click on payment. Then we will select any payment method, and then we will validate the orders. So now here we have a extra step of clicking on payment, then payment method, and then validate the orders. But what if we have a place or a shop where the payment is done by only cash, or we have more customers which are using the cash? So for that, in Odoo 19 we have a new feature. Let's check it. So first I will close our session. Configuration, payment. Here we have option of one click payment. So we will enable this option and we will select our payment method as cash. So we will save this and we will open our POS restaurant. So for example, this restaurant, more customer is paying using cash only. So for that we will click on table, we will order our food, and directly we have option of paying using payment method cash. We will select cash and we will order. So order is placed. So using this, one major step is reduced in Odoo of paying directly using a single payment method. Thanks.